This is what homeschool looked like for us today. Not a workbook, not a checklist, just a mama, a girl, and a cake we decided to make from scratch. But behind the flour and frosting was a fully intentional lesson. Not school at home, but learning rooted in real life. This is what we call life schooling. Here are the 5 real-world skills we taught through one simple recipe. Step 1, read with purpose. She read the recipe aloud, slowly, carefully, making sure she understood each step before moving forward. That's reading comprehension with purpose, not just decoding words, but applying them in the real world. Step 2, make math make sense. She measured flour, leveled cups, adjusted tablespoons, and converted between sticks and ounces of butter. That's fractions, units, and precision. Math that matters because it affects what we eat. Step 3, ask why at every step. She asked, why do the eggs need to be room temperature? Why mix the dry ingredients first? Those were perfect moments to talk chemistry, reactions, and cause and effect. Real science sprinkled right into the moment. Step 4, strengthen executive function. She planned the steps, she focused, she followed through, she noticed what needed to be done and stayed engaged. That's focus, sequencing, task initiation, skills that go far beyond school. Step 5, create something beautiful. When it came time to make the icing, she mixed it from scratch and decorated with care. That's fine motor skills, creativity, and the confidence that comes from bringing an idea to life. Literacy, math, science, life skills, and bonding all in one afternoon, all inside our kitchen. No worksheets, no rigid plans, just intention, connection, and the freedom to let life teach. This is what it looks like to homeschool beyond the 4 walls. And the best part, she didn't just learn something, she lived it.